Today we're checking out this countertop reverse osmosis system, and it was sent to us by WaterFirst for us to check out. So let's go ahead, break this open, see what it takes to put it together, see how easy it is to maintain, and then we'll go over some results in regards to the water that's here at the office, some water that's in a water bottle, and what the water looks like after it's been treated. All right, so we've got it out of the box now. Looks really nice. Has the two filters here, has the PCB filter and the RO filter. Took me a second to figure out where exactly they go, but you're going to pop off this back piece here. This is the water tank. This is where your regular water will go before it's filtered. And then this top piece here slides back. This will slide off. And then you just put your filters in up here up top, and they are labeled. The first one here is going to be our RO filter. Looks like it goes in just like this. And then you put it in and you twist them close. And then the same thing with our PCB filter. We'll put it in, open, and twist it close. There we go. I'm gonna go ahead and put this top back on here now. And then we need to fill up our water so that we can start filtering water. Has a cool little handle in here. That makes it nice to take it to the sink. All right, we've got this full of water, so we're gonna go ahead and slide it back into here. It does kind of like slide into there. And then it says to go ahead and plug it in. All right, so it says it's going to flush for 120 seconds, so about 2 minutes, and then we should start seeing some water inside of here. And then we have to repeat this process whenever you have brand new filters 3 times, just so it washes out everything that's inside of those filters. Whenever they're shipped, they have like a mineral oil inside of them, just to ensure that they are, transported and no issues happen with those filters. So that's what we're flushing out, is all of those oils. All right, I can hear it starting to make some weird noises. Yep, right there, the water's starting to come up inside the pitcher right here, which this is going to be pretty much the easiest way to do this flushing. You can let it completely fill this pitcher and then empty it, and just let it do that until this reservoir here in the back is empty, like I said, 3 times. All right, so it has completely filled this pitcher, so I'm gonna go ahead and empty this out. It does have like a one-way valve on there, so you don't have to worry about anything leaking. Same thing with your tank back here on the back side. All right, so this main tank has now drained completely, filled this pitcher up almost 2 times. So now with that being done, we have to do this 2 more times, and then we can jump to those results. All right, and something that I actually just did notice, if you don't have this top on right here, there must be like a magnets or something in here to where it can sense that it's on or not, because it won't start working if you don't have that top on there. So, little piece of advice right there. All right, so that second time around, it actually filled this up about 3 times. I'm assuming the first time that we flushed it, well, I know, we lost a little bit of water due to it filling up those filters and the internal plumbing. So, fills this thing up 3 times. All right, so we have completed the initial flush. Works really well. This thing just pops out like I showed you already, and then you can use it to pour some drinks, just like that. There you go. And then it's gonna go ahead and fill that back up. And then you can also get water from up here. All you have to do is push this button, and as you see, it will start dispensing water right there. Hit it again to make it stop. And then you also have like a little selector right here, and you can push it and it will choose different amounts of water. You can do 5, 10, 15, or you can have it continuously running. So do that, and then it will just dispense 5 ounces of water right there, which is great if you're needing, to measure something, or if you have a cup size predetermined and you just want to fill it up really quick, do that. And then it's going to shut off here in just a second after dispensing that 5 ounces. Right there you go. And then over here, it shows your total dissolved solids going in, and it is at 809. I do live in Oklahoma, and we have extremely hard water here, especially here at the office. And then TDS coming out, we reduced that all the way down to 36. So from 809 all the way down to 36, that's a huge change. And I'm just going to double check that here really quick. I do have a separate TDS monitor, separate from this, so let's see what it reads. Go ahead and turn it on, stick it in here. 46. is what we're getting on this one. So relatively close to what it's showing on here. All right, so how's the water taste? Let's check it out. It tastes really good. All right, so we'll go ahead and pour some water in here, and then we're going to test it as well. Our bottled water is at 19. And then this right here, like I said, is giving it, what was this saying up there, 36? So going all the way down from 809 to 36, and then comparing that to water, which is only 19 bottled water, you're not really going to be able to tell the difference. I couldn't tell the difference. I think this tastes just as good as bottled water. Overall, it's really great, really easy to maintain. Every few months or so, you can run like a 50-50 solution of like vinegar water through this, and then you'll let that set inside here for like 2 hours. All the instructions and everything are included. It tells you how to clean it and stuff in case you have to refer back to that. But yeah, if you're tired of buying bottles of water, wasting money on buying bottles of water, go ahead and check this one out.